here, y'all. Room tour Jamaica, the Hyatt Zalara. Make sure y'all book this. See if she's here.
Hey MTV, welcome to my crib.
How you doing?
Hey.
You good?
Yeah. So guys, we are in Jamaica at the Hyatt Zalara / Hyatt Ziva Rose Hall. This is the crib. Come. Let's start way right here. This is the kitchen. It's a little messy, you know, we kind of just got in.
Rum punch.
Yep.
Guess whose glass is whose?
Shut up, bro. My glass is bigger though. Okay, this is a little kitchen area. We got some coffee. We got some hot water for some tea. We got a nice little sinky under here. It's just like some extra space. Oh my God, I almost broke a nail. Yeah. This is where we have the mini bar, period. Look at all that. And this is all free. All free. It comes included. We can drink anything we want.
All inclusive.
All inclusive, baby. Yeah. All right, let's go this way since it's right here. We've got a little hallway here and a little bathroom. You want to take a look in? So nice.
Nice bathroom.
And I feel like this hotel is really giving like what I would do to my home. Like the colors are like minimal, chic, monochromatic. Everything's like the same color. It's like up my alley.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, if you come here, we have the little dining room table. These little lights. Love this table, first of all. So cute. And then this way, we got a little mirror. Mirror.
We slid.
Okay. Come in this way. And we got the living room. We got this really nice couch with the table. We got the phone, little portraits. We got a big screen TV right here. What else? And we're gonna show you the balcony right now. And then we're gonna head into the bedroom where the magic happens. Just kidding.
Just kidding.
Okay. Ready? Let's open it. Oh shit. I can't reach this. Oh hell no. Let's open it. Come out here. We got a little day bed right here.
Oh, the lighting is bad.
Is it foggy?
No,
Little
it's just
day bed. We got a little table right here.
It is foggy a bit.
Its lens is real foggy. It's real hot out here. But this is where we have a little table. We can eat some breakfast, little day bed, and then give the view, babe. Look at this view.
It's our balcony view. View from the balcony. You see the ocean in the back. You see the walk-up bar. You see a lot going on. You see right down. It's a lot going on here.
All right, let's go back in.
Hold up, you ain't showing this couch or?
I did.
Oh, the daybed. And you got my shirt because you know I'm always spilling drinks. You know I'm always spilling something. Like a child. Yeah, you gotta enter the bedroom, more stuff. Yeah. Oh, see the bed? You see how it is?
Oh.
Oh, that thing's soft. That thing's soft.
This is definitely king bed.
This is fire. Like we said, we like the light colors. This is very vibey in here. Very cozy. We got a couch. Well, yeah. Look at the boy, look at the boy, look at the boy. Yeah, very cozy. You got the TV here, y'all. Nice table. The colors and stuff that they chose and the aesthetic, very pleasing. You ready? Hyatt Zalara. Make sure y'all book this one. Like, A did her thing, booking this whole trip and picking this exact spot. You know, maybe she asked me a couple questions and I said, yeah, go with that. For the most part, it was all right.
Yeah, it took him 25 times.
Research though, well researched, we did well.
Yeah.
You did excellent.
We were gonna go with another
We got
resort,
the
but
bathroom here. We got another bathroom as we showed y'all the earlier bathroom. 2 sinks here, his and hers, hers, his, hers. Come on, man. Real nice. You got a tub right here too. Let's get that. Real nice, y'all. Glass door shower. Y'all want to get that too. Just to show y'all real brief what it's looking like, This place, Hyatt Zalara, go book it. It's a Ziva next door, as mentioned. Could go there too. Hyatt Zalara. Show us love, baby. Got a little closet, quick here, a little closet. Nothing in there. I ain't showing y'all the drip just yet. Maybe when we, put some drip items in there, y'all see. You know what I'm saying? One more thing. Another, bathroom, toilet, little, drop your little turds in there. Just how it go. Another closet. What is
his and hers
His
closet.
and hers closets. You got the safe there. Feel me, yo? They going crazy with this. They know what they doing. They know what they doing. But I just about showed y'all everything. We just about showed y'all everything. Now y'all gotta go. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all gotta get up out of here. You know what I'm saying? I showed y'all enough. Let's go. Let me hold your hand if we got to. Right? It's time for them to go, right?
It's time for y'all to go. We gotta do what we gotta do.
It's over?
Get out. Get out.
What y'all think of the tour? Make sure y'all comment below. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for showing us your spot. We really appreciate you.
Get out.
We really appreciate you. Hey, if you need me to come back, I will. No hesitation. No hesitation.
Bye.
All this love waiting just for you. You know that I adore you. If we pour up, pour two. All this love waiting just for you.